May it be the era of kings and queens, or maybe today's modern world. Silk has always been choice of several people for all the wonderful qualities it has. Since ancient times, textile industry has been ruled by silk. However, being in demand does not mean it is easily available and economically viable. Yes, it's not easily available and is expensive. This had made people search for alternatives, and finally, the search was concluded when an artificial fiber resembling silk was synthesized. Hang on, does that mean we find synthetic fiber which is like silk? Of course, yes. And what do we call it? It's known as rayon. Have we come across this fiber? Of course, yes. It has got several daily life applications from the fabric we make to use various outfits to the bed sheets used by us. It is used in many applications. But if we say that it is synthetic and at the same time appearance of silk, then how exactly is it made? Let us know this first. It was at the end of 19th century that the silk availability was concerned due to its extremely high cost. As a result, many chemists began finding alternate to it. Finally, after many successful attempts to make something close to silk, that type of rayon got introduced in France in around 1889. A French industrialist introduced Chardonnay silk, which was first ever man-made rayon manufactured at industrial scale. Since then, many varieties have got introduced that have the appearance of silk but are actually rayon. But how do we exactly make such beautiful fiber? The commencing material is cellulose. Wait a second. Cellulose, what we find in a plants, right? Yes. Usually wooden pulp is used as a source of cellulose. This is convertible into a soluble compound that is further pressed with force through an instrument having fine holes. What will be the result of this? Yes, then fibers will be formed. These are further treated with chemicals and at the end rayon fibers are obtained. Now you may wonder that even if we process it, the starting material still remains natural. The starting material I am talking about is cellulose. So how can we say it is synthetic? You are on the correct track. This is exactly why rayon is not considered to be entirely synthetic. In fact, rayon is known to be semi-synthetic. That is partly natural and partly synthetic. Now we have been talking about this artificial silk for quite some time. Can you tell me where exactly we use it? The major use of rayon is making cloths. Rayon can be blended with many dyes to get vibrant shades, which is why it is widely used in textile industry. Not only clothing, but it can also be used in making bed sheets when mixed with natural fibers like cotton. Can it mix with any other natural fiber as well? Yes. Rayon can also be blended with wool. This helps us get soft, shiny fibers that can be used to make carpets. Now you may be wondering if we can use rayon for some tough material that has great strength. Well, dense or strength is not the property of rayon. In fact, it is the best exhibited by the fiber nylon. But if you study it, you will have to watch our next video. Thanks for watching the video.